Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry people, I have been gone for a while now. It was due to my exams, my council exams. So this exams was due for May, but due to the whole quarantine and all, it was moved. But then before you knew it, they just told us the exam was coming up and I had to just keep YouTube aside for a while and concentrate. I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog, guys. A few days before the exams, we were asked to come back to get ready for the exams. This was the place that I was asked to stay because we're not able to get into our hostel because school was not open yet. So this was the place I was given to stay. It was close to the hospital there, so they just gave this to like me and some of my classmates to stay. And so, guys, like I said, I came for exams and it was all reading here and there every day. And this was like my site. This was like the place I always came to study. It was in the hospital, but this particular place was kind of empty. So I always use here for my studies. And if you can see, these are my books, and this is like where I spend more than half of my day, guys. So it was always raining here. I think it was the raining season. It was always raining, giving me the vibes to just go and sleep. But you know how it is now. You just have to do this and just do it once and for all. So that was like what I was trying to do. So this is my sweetheart, Juliet, and we always read it together. And I wanted to show her face a little bit. So this was like the last day of my exams. This was like the practical day, but I just wanted to come and show you some little things. Like, guys, trust me here. I don't think I was concentrating, but I wanted to do like a little vlog when I was doing something. So yes, this was like the last day of my examination, the day of practical, and this was like the more like an card, my exam card I was supposed to use to write my exams. And this was me going to my examination, and like I said, this was my practical day, guys.
And today is the last day of the council exam.
Yes, people.
Council exam is actually the professional exam. To be called the latest nurse in town.
Yes, so.
Then today is our practical day. We're going to be showing our skills.
Yes, so.
All the skills.
As I see yourself on YouTube, what is talk that you're talking like
So today is a special day. It's a wonderful day.
Yes, it is.
Check out for us.
Yes, so.
On our YouTube channel.
Yes, so. And don't forget to hit the subscription button.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
So guys, I wanted to just show myself a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this view.
I just want to talk about our council exam. Thank God, because the council exam is already a success.
Amen. Wait till yourself on YouTube. Yes, we are.
God really helped us.
Yes, it
In
did.
this exam.
That's what I read.
Shame
Yourself.
We are victorious. Bye, shy.
So guys, you know how it is. Done with exams, just all movie, nothing really to do. Although my online exams was coming up for my second semester exam, but I just wanted to chill a little bit. I had lots of friends come to visit, classmates come to visit here and there. And this is Abigail. She's also my classmate. This is Gloria. We call her Ebony. That was Juliet. This is Fortune. This is Hannah. And this is Anita. So this was the time the what they called in the beginning. I think like the president, vice, and like all the others from nursing departments actually gave us something to just stay with, and that was like such a roll of milk, a roll of Milo, pure water, Indomie, and yeah, I think that was all. So after our exams, you know how it is now, we had like class prayers, and after them we decided to have like a mini class party, and this was me getting ready for it. So stay tuned. So guys, after the whole party and everything, I still had to go home, yeah. So I had to enter school to get some of my things that I was going to take home since I was done partially. So this was my room actually where I stayed before the whole lockdown. So I just came here to pack my load.
Bought my saving box and I got how much again? 3,600.
So guys, you know it was the lockdown and school was not open, but then after our online exams and since we were not far from each other at the same time, we just decided to come together and do like a mini sign out on ourselves. So yes. So we decided to just have a mini fun since we were leaving like the next day. So here I go. So I was heading to Abuja. I went by road, and though we had some little things here and there like hold up and all, but it was not that bad. I was just grateful for the man that drove. He actually knows his way here and there, so we just had to maneuver and we got early. Like it was not as bad as what we thought, yeah. So enjoy the view, guys.
Like a day after I came back. Well, I'm so sorry I have been absent for a while. I'm also going to be having like my midwifery pre-cancel and cancel exam coming up soon. I am not sure of dates yet, but before then I am here for you guys. I am going nowhere. This YouTube, me and you together, my YouTube family, I love you. Notice we hit our 900 subscribers. We hit 900 subscribers, guys. 900 plus beautiful, wonderful family. I am so grateful. Even in my absence, I still had subscribers. I am so grateful. I am so grateful to all the new subscribers, the old ones, all of you. I am so grateful. Thank you for just watching this video, even though you're not subscribed. Thank you, but please subscribe. I'm also going to try to post videos like twice a week from now on, so stay tuned because I am coming bomba to bomba. So thank you all so much. I am so grateful to God for making me go to school, come back here and meet you all again safe and sound. Thanks be to God. Okay, so for the date I'll be posting, I will preferably be posting on Tuesdays and on Friday. More like on Friday is always constant, but then for the second day I'll post. I'm not sure yet, but just stay tuned for my videos. I love you all so much. Bye guys.